Ready to turn your iPhone into a Bitcoin buying machine? Let's get you started. First, choose a platform that accepts Apple Pay. Coinbase is a popular and easy-to-use option. Download the Coinbase app from the App Store. It's crucial to only download from reputable sources to avoid being scammed. If you don't have an account, hit the Create Account button and tap in your name, email address, and a strong password. Verify your email to continue. Make sure you read through the user agreement. Now complete the verification process. This usually involves submitting a photo of your ID, like a driver's license, as well as some further personal information. This is a standard security measure. Next up, it's time to link Apple Pay as your payment method. Navigate to the Add Payment Method section. Usually found under Settings or Account Details, you'll see options like debit card, bank transfer, or Apple Pay. Select Apple Pay. You'll be prompted to authenticate through Face ID or Touch ID. Confirm that you want to link your card already set up in Apple Pay. Now, search for Bitcoin BTC within the Coinbase app and tap Buy. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. You should see Apple Pay as an available payment option below the price. Hit Buy. Another secure authentication via Face ID or Touch ID, and boom, your Bitcoin purchase is confirmed. You are now Bitcoin owner who bought it through Apple Pay. Buying crypto with Apple Pay is easier than ever.